The Vivo S60 series is officially confirmed to launch in China on May 29, 2026. The series introduces the standard Vivo S60 and a Vivo S60 Vitality Edition, built with a premium metal middle frame and a flat rear panel. Available in silver white, early summer green, and midsummer night. The Vivo S60 will pack a 6.59-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution support and a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, making it an efficient, near-flagship daily driver. A triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel triple camera setup with a Sony IMX series periscope telephoto sensor, paired with 90W fast charging. The S60 is backed by a massive 7,200 mAh Blue Ocean battery. According to rumors, Vivo S60 will launch globally as the Vivo V80. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.